Hey guys, Ivan here at ivanmana.com. In this video, I wanted to answer a common question I've been getting, which is what is better, direct linking or using a landing page? Why do I have to use a landing page? Why can't I just direct link? So I'm going to answer this question here and give you two reasons, two very important psychological principles of why one is better than the other, okay? That being said, you can make money with direct linking and with having a landing page. You can make money with both. However, one is better than the other, and we're gonna get into it. Before we do, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release more videos just like this to help you succeed online, all right? So let's get into it. As you can see here, this is my main ClickBank account. If I refresh the page, all of the income here was made using a landing page. Now, again, this doesn't mean you cannot make money direct linking. You can. When I first started, I was making money direct linking. You can too. In fact, if you're just starting out, if you're a complete beginner, I suggest that you direct link so that you can get some experience in creating ads, setting up keywords, finding a product, all right? Because creating a landing page is that extra step that you don't want to get into right away as a complete beginner. However, I have found in my experience that a landing page does perform better, which is why you see here all my income. This is all done using a landing page. A simple landing page doesn't have to be anything crazy, something like this, okay? And this is a page that we created together in my affiliate marketing mastery course, which is currently on a $400 discount for the month of April. You guys can check it out at ivanmana.com/all-courses. I take you through step-by-step how to make money online. It's a 9-hour course, teaches you my exact techniques for making money online. But it can be a simple landing page like this, and this performs better. There are two main reasons why. So let's go through both of these reasons. The first is the psychological principle of commitment. Believe it or not, if people come on this page and they click this video, and then they get they click the button and they get redirected to the sales page, they are more likely to buy because of this principle of commitment. I'm gonna link this article in the description below, feel free to read it, but this is why you have people suggesting things like if you click a button to collect email leads, then you're gonna get a pop-up which allows you to input your email. Because of that principle of commitment, they wanna get you clicking as much as possible. And so when people click a button on your landing page, they are telling themselves, whether they know it or not, psychologically, they are telling themselves that, hey, obviously I'm interested in this product, why else would I click on it? And that makes them more inclined to buy. Guys, I wouldn't have believed this if I wouldn't have gone through this myself. I have promoted hundreds of products on ClickBank, on Max Bounty together in my 4.5 years of affiliate marketing right now. And I would promote the exact same product direct linking and the exact same product using a landing page. The landing page performs better. It has to be this, right? One of the reasons has to be this. This psychological principle is no joke. You might look at it, you might think, okay, well, this is all theory, you know, blah, blah, blah. It's true, okay? It does work. When people click, when you get them to click, they are telling themselves that they are interested. Now, there is a second reason why a landing page performs better, and this is also really important for some of the offers. And this is another psychological principle. It is the framing effect. Now, if you read any kind of marketing books or psychological books like Influence, The Art of Persuasion, you will come across these principles as well. And, you know, it's one thing reading them, but when you apply it here, guys, it's such a different story. Like, you actually see the results. You actually see that this stuff works. It's kind of cool. It's kind of fascinating because you read all these books and you think it's all theory, but no, it's true. So the framing effect, this is really important for some offers. Let's go through some ClickBank offers, right? So let me close out of that one. So you can go through, and these are some of the most popular offers, by the way. So I just went to Marketplace, I clicked on the magnifying glass. But if you go to, for example, the best example of this is Resurge, right? Take a look at Resurge, all right? Look at this page. So if you're direct linking, guys, this is the page you're sending people to. So think about this for a second. What kind of keywords are you going to be targeting? How to lose weight? You know, lose weight pills? Lose weight quickly? Think of the keywords you're targeting and then relate it to this page. What's the first thing people see? A huge ass video saying turn up your volume and press play. There's no headline. People have no idea what it's about. So think of yourself. If you see an ad and you click on it and the first page you see, you know, doesn't really have anything to do with the ad, how do you feel? This is exactly how people feel here. You didn't frame them properly because you're telling them, hey, how to lose weight, click here to lose weight. And then they're seeing this page with a video, and it's like what is research? You know what I mean? So you have to frame these people first. So a landing page does just that. A landing page helps you pre-frame people. A landing page is where you can add a headline saying, hey, you know, free video reveals how to lose weight, or how to, you know, free video reveals a crazy weight loss pill that helps you lose X number of pounds in X days. You want to be careful when you say things like that, like when you say exact numbers in for Microsoft and Google Ads, but you get the idea, right? You're able to add a headline and then a button, like over here, you know, which says, send me the video, show me the video, right? So you're pre-framing people. People now know that, okay, well, free video reveals, oh, okay, so I'm gonna be watching a free video. Okay, sure, let me click on it and watch the free video, right? So you can take a look. A few offers are doing it like this, where like they don't have a headline, they just have one giant ass video. But Research is the best example of this. So if you create a landing page for Research, it's gonna do so much better for you than just direct linking, because here you can say, hey, free video reveals, you know, what does Research do? How to lose weight quickly without sacrificing your favorite diet, whatever, right? People click on it, then they come on this page. And by the way, some of these pages, the reason why you even see this right here, right now, is because I loaded this page a second time. The first time somebody lands on this page, there's just a huge video. So people are like, literally, what the heck is this video about, right? So take a look at this yourself. Go to Research, go to their like sales page, and you're not gonna see this. And the same applies to other offers. They just have a huge video. Some of them have headlines, but they don't have any of this stuff, right? So it's just one huge video. What is it about? So you have to frame people, and a landing page allows you to do that. So it allows you to get them in the state of mind of, hey, what is this that I'm gonna get? Really important, guys, all right? So in conclusion, too long, didn't read, a landing page performs better. You can still make money direct linking, 100%, no doubt about that. No matter what people tell you, you can make money direct linking. I was doing it successfully, I still can, but a landing page does better for these two psychological principles that I mentioned, all right? So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you haven't checked out my free affiliate marketing guide, it's a free 55-page guide teaching you everything you have to know about affiliate marketing. Take a look at ivanmana.com, and definitely head over to my channel on YouTube. You know, below this video, you're gonna see my name, right, as the author of this video. Click on that name, and you're gonna see a collection of my videos. I have so many videos like this, you know, bits and pieces that help you make money online. Guys, definitely take a look. That said, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.